iWave Systems Technologies, with over 22 years of diverse experience in the FPGA domain and a strong design to deploy competence, we strive to transform your ideas into time-to-market products offering turnkey embedded solutions. The Rainbow G24M is a high-end ARIA 10 SoC SOM that is power-packed with up to 660K logic elements and compatible with different SoC series from SX270 to SX660, offering high flexibility and performance to the customer. The SOM supports a dual Cortex ARM A9 processor and integrates multiple high-speed connectivity options such as PCIe Gen 3, SATA, Gigabit Ethernet, USB 3.0 and up to 24 high-speed transceivers, making it ideal for performance-driven applications like medical imaging diagnostic equipment, high-precision test and measurement, compute and storage. The powerful G24M module is based on ARIA 10GX devices. The module supports 7 GX modules presenting varying levels of programmable logic elements ranging from 270K to 1150K for customers to select the best fit FPGA that serves their application. This powerful and well-integrated platform helps reduce the design cycle and accelerate innovation for applications such as broadcasting equipment, wireless infrastructure, control and intelligence equipment. This Q7 compatible module integrates a dual ARM Cortex A9 core and supports programmable logic elements up to 110K. Cyclone 5 FPGAs provide the industry's lowest system cost and power and also integrates high-speed transceivers and hard memory controllers for designers to maximize efficiency and flexibility, thereby achieving low power and low cost for their systems and applications. This multi-talented SOM has been used across applications like machine vision, industrial automation, defense and aerospace. For high-speed data acquisition and processing, iWave presents ARIA 10 FPGA SoC Dev Kit with support for FMC DAC2 EBZ board. Integrated with an extensive set of peripherals such as dual PMOD connectors, FMC Plus connector, PCIe connector, NVMe M.2 slot through PCIe, clock synthesizer, USB Blaster 2 interface, this module has made its mark for high-speed and high-performance applications. For rapid prototyping and faster time to market, iWave assists customers with EVK having a rich set of interfaces and peripheral coverage in custom form factor. With onboard interfaces such as 4K HDMI input-output, SDI input-output for display, PCIe, SFP Plus connector, FMC and FMC Plus connectors, high-speed transceivers, the designer can evaluate their desired functionality with ease. With strong architectural know-how, iWave helps customers with customization services around the system on modules, carrier cards, software porting and algorithm development. With a dedicated sourcing and production team, iWave takes responsibility for product longevity while maintaining regular kernel updates and ensuring worldwide support through global distributors via online and offline channels. With a well-built software engineering team, iWave supports customers with BSP porting. Complementing our solutions, we also support customers with thermal solutions like heat sinks, heat spreaders, fan sinks, etc. For more information, you can visit our website www.iwavesystems.com or reach us at mktg@iwavesystems.com.